Thinking about diving into real estate investing, but feeling lost? Don't worry, I'm here to help you navigate the basics and get started in 2025. First up, let's talk about the different ways you can invest in real estate. You can buy rental properties, flip houses, or even invest in REITs. Let's break it down. Rental properties are a classic choice for generating income. You buy a property, rent it out, and enjoy that sweet passive income. Just remember, location is key. Look for areas with high rental demand. Now, if you're feeling a bit more adventurous, house flipping might be for you. This means buying a fixer-upper, renovating it, and selling it for a profit. It takes some cash and know-how, but the rewards can be great. If you prefer a hands-off approach, consider REITs. These are companies that own or finance real estate, and you can invest in them like stocks. They offer dividends from rental income or property sales, making it easy to get involved. Next, let's talk about financing your investment. You'll likely need a mortgage for rental properties, but hard money loans are an option for flips. Make sure to shop around for the best rates and terms that fit your needs. Real estate can be a powerful wealth-building tool, but it requires research and planning. Whether you're renting, flipping, or investing in REITs, choose a strategy that aligns with your goals and budget.